When they see QJ, they see, oh, he's going to Arkansas, he's a 4-star, he's this, that, and that. They think he's too big to do the little things. Quincy, even with his wrist, I think Quincy is a real supporter of this community, and I feel like once he gets in the NFL, even when he gets to college, he's going to give back to Arkansas and the people that need it.
Future Razorback Quincy Rhodes Jr. cares a lot about the game of football, but there's something that means even more to him, and that's his community of North Little Rock. When a tornado devastated the area on Friday afternoon, the 4-star defensive lineman knew he had to help.
Is it hard to do it one-handed?
No, not to put your mind to it, man. You can do anything. Anything is possible.
Quincy got a text from their North Little Rock team manager if he wanted to help with cleanup efforts in the morning. And without hesitation, Quincy said yes. Bright and early Saturday, he woke up his teammate Deontay Young and got to work over at the Arlington apartment complex.
I just know I love everybody, man. I mean, you only live once, so I just know if I was in their shoes, I would want somebody to help me.
So with one arm in a cast and the help of 2 teammates, Quincy spent his Saturday morning not on the football field, instead doing a different kind of workout.
We're packing and moving. That's what we did. That's what we do on D-line. We pack and move.
While his own family was helping out this morning, his new Razorback family was checking in. The head hog himself, Sam Pittman, and D-line coach Deke Adams making sure one of their own was okay.
They actually called me to check on me to see if anything of my belongings got touched or damaged, and I told them no. I just told them I was really just helping out the community. Tell me that's what a good football player would do.
So help he did all morning long, hoping to give some relief to those who need it.
Just looking at it now, I mean, there's really nothing left for this apartment complex. I know it's going to take a little minute to rebuild, and a lot of people got to start over, really. I just know it's going to take a lot of money and a lot of hard work and just to rebuild everything. So I just know it's just going to take a lot of time.
Time, effort, and a little bit of kindness. 3 things that this Razorback continues to give to his community as they rebuild. Reporting for the Pig Trail Nation, I'm Courtney Mims.